Imagine a TV mount that doesn't just hold your massive screen, but also cleans up all those messy cables behind it. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, Perlegear might have just made that dream a reality with their PGLF 11 full-motion TV wall mount. This isn't just another piece of metal to hang your TV. It's a thoughtful solution designed to simplify your entire entertainment setup. The first thing that truly grabs your attention, and honestly makes this mount stand out from the crowd, is the integrated power strip. You heard that right, a power strip built directly into the TV bracket. With 3 AC outlets and 2 USB ports, plus a generous 7.87-foot power cord, you can finally say goodbye to those unsightly extension cords dangling down your wall. Your TV, your streaming stick, your game console, all powered neatly and directly from the mount itself. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in keeping your space looking clean and organized. But beyond the clever power solution, this Perlegear mount delivers on its core promise of ultimate flexibility. Designed for most 42 to 90-inch flat or curved TVs, weighing up to 150 pounds, it offers incredible movement. You get a fantastic 130 degrees of smooth swivel, letting you direct your screen exactly where you want it, whether you're watching from the couch or the kitchen. Need to combat glare? The tool-free tilt from +5 to -15 degrees has you covered. And for those perfectionists out there, the plus or -3 degrees of post-installation leveling means your TV will always be perfectly straight. When you're done viewing, it retracts to a super slim 2.9 inches for a low-profile look, then extends out a full 22 inches when you need it. Now, for something holding such a valuable piece of tech, durability is paramount. Perlegear doesn't skimp here. Crafted from high-strength steel with 30% thicker dual articulating arms, this mount feels incredibly robust. It's engineered for unmatched strength and stability, giving you peace of mind that your ultra-large TV is secure. Installation, which can often be a headache, is surprisingly straightforward. Perlegear includes a handy drilling template and an extensive hardware pack, and they even pre-assemble the front support to cut down on steps. They claim you can get your TV on the wall in under 30 minutes, and honestly, with the pre-assembly, that feels achievable. Just remember, it's designed for 12, 16, or 24-inch wood studs, or solid concrete and brick walls, definitely no drywall alone. Overall, the Perlegear PGLF 11 isn't just a TV mount. It's an upgrade to your entire home entertainment experience. It combines robust construction and incredible flexibility with a truly innovative cable management solution. If you're looking to declutter your setup and gain maximum viewing versatility, this mount is an absolute game changer.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.